bumping. Someone turning, right?
Yes, someone turning and all he broke new car.
No, I think it's the
Problem he faster drive.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Wednesday afternoon and we're going to Limay, Bataan in our friend house with Mountain and Leon driving right now.
Hi everyone. Today very good weather and I bring my drone DJI Spark. It's all drone, but we can show to you view from the center of Bataan. Now we park car. Waiting area is a CR, public CR here. Shira wanted, but here don't have any foods, any restaurants. Usually truck, many truck driver here waiting. Shira, how about CR? Clean?
That's clean.
Good?
Yes. Good.
The Philippines already very good weather. Look like already dry season starting. We will check how much charge from Mabalacat. About 300 peso. 291 peso. From Mabalacat to Dinalapian. Oh, same it's to Bataan. Vista Mall 23 kilometers. Ice coffee chocolate. Medium.
Okay, sir.
Shira want ice coffee chocolate. Good afternoon. 77.
Leon bought me some iced coffee chocolate.
Always, every day.
Not every
Thank you.
day.
Every day, every day. Every day Shira drink
Coffee,
coffee, ice coffee, chocolate.
even in home.
Even at home.
Iced coffee mocha.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Good?
Yes, good.
Shira don't want it, but she want to drink ice coffee, chocolate.
Because I not eat. If I wake up, I don't want to eat fast.
Ah, you don't want it faster.
Because my tummy will gonna hurt more. So
Okay.
better drink iced coffee first or drink some coffee first, and then after that, if I'm hungry or more hungry, I need to eat more rice like this. Like I cannot stop already. Like I eat already for rice, and then maybe little bit time, or maybe 3 to 5 minutes, I need to eat again, like sweets. So I need coffee. If you need to need diet or make some diet, you can drink coffee, black coffee in morning, and you can less your fat. But for me, I have fast metabolism. That's why even I eat or not, I'm same like this.
Starting rain here. Sun and rain. Balanga City Night Bazaar. and Food Expo until January 3. This is Bataan Police Provincial Office. We will park car inside. Now we in Camp Tolentino and meet with our friend and we're going to Bataan Mountain. This is office of Bataan Police Provincial Office. Christmas tree. So you know about who is Tolentino. You can read. Yeah, nice weather now. Help to fix these parts. My friend car need to buy glue stick and our friend now go. Chris going to buy stick, glue stick. And here also, but here not easy to fix. Not easy. But with these parts I will fix. Take a look, I already before fixed my car. You know, I have dent like this, big dent. Already now, take a look, it's already good. And I not paint these parts, not paint.
Do I look beautiful?
Beautiful? Of course, you're always beautiful. Don't sit outside?
Yes.
Ah, you clean.
Better.
Chris already bought glue stick, maybe. Yeah, yes, good. Yes, it's enough, I think. These parts need clean.
Sikat ka, boy.
Shaira, why?
I help only.
What?
Better, what is this her? Ooh!
Yeah. Fix here already better
Okay.
than before. Yes. Only polish need with one polish and this.
And also here in this part.
No, better than before. For what this one? I will ask Shaira. Shaira, why?
This is a alarm or it's a time. They, if you have break, like every 1 hour, they will gonna use with the metal also, and then
Hammer.
hammer.
Ah.
That's same also in school, have like that, but it's small only, like bell, small bell only.
Uh-huh. No, it's not small, it's big bell. This. Yes, we use hammer. This hammer you can see. This. I prepare and we will stay in the mountain until morning. Yeah. Shaira, you first time?
I use this one.
Ah, used before. Shaira put. Elias, what name of this jeep?
Huh?
What name of this jeep?
This is a Willys Jeep,
Willys Jeep.
1940.
1940?
Yes, it's
Whoa.
still working.
It is
Original,
very-
all original.
All original, engine original.
Original engine Mitsubishi.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, it's a joint venture of Mitsubishi and Willys Jeep.
Ah. So we're going to mountain right now. Should say, I don't want to someone see.
Of course, I'm sit like this.
Yes, cannot see, don't worry. Chris, how to drive this car? Easy or not? Not easy.
If to drive this one, if you have side mirror.
Ah, if side mirror, it's easy.
Yeah.
Same like our also.
Shaira, beta hold. Tricycle is different than in Pampanga. This is tricycle another style. Every province has different tricycles. It's okay, Shaira? Not cold for you?
Also here.
Hi?
I have also video here.
No, good view.
Yes.
Sunset.
And also video. Hi everyone, we're here already and we will be half of the way going to Mountain Break.
Hi, vlog!
Hi. We just arrived mountain right now. Shaira, for you it's easy to sit in the Willys jeepney.
It's okay. It's like enjoyable for me and it's having fun. I always want like sit down.
Dance.
Yes, but Leon, it's not easy for him because you have long legged. That's why.
Oh, for me not problem. They cook now. Adobo. I will show to you guest room. This is guest room where we will stay this night. This is kitchen. Kitchen. This is CR. Living room. Here have solar power. This is our room. We will stay here. This bed, cabinet. Have another bedroom. Terrace also have. Take a look. This is terrace. This is a house for visitors, and this one house it's for owner. Who own.
May sira yung gumagamit.
Lalo naman yan, mapait yan sila magtimpla.
Ay, itong wala na. Alas, nakagaan.
Chris now cook.
Kasakasa siya. Salangan mo na naman sila eh.
Chris, I want what you want cook? Adobo?
No. Munggo.
Ah, mungo. Ah, I eat before. Shaira, you can cook, help also
I
if
can
you want.
cook, but I don't know how they cook here.
But you know how to cook mingo, you know?
Huh?
Mongo.
Mungo.
Mongo.
With
Mongo it's chicken with
beans.
with beans.
Mungo beans.
Mongo beans. Okay. Oh. Visitors. And another one also. Two visitors. Hungry.
Oh my God.
Bad shot.
Shaira.
Bon appetit.
Parang
Aha.
tayo naghanda ng ano ah.
Oh, so many foods.
Too much food, too much.
Yeah.
For, yes. It's for tomorrow because cold.
Yeah, we will
We put in...
Yeah, a little bit colder here. Shaira, not cold for you, not?
No, because I play billiard.
Ah.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday morning and we're here in our friend house and it's our second day here and it's so cold, same like in Hong Kong if it's winter, and it's really good here and it's also morning. Maybe later we're going to the top of the mountain and we can see the plants there or the what is this, the animals that we can see there. And later Leon also takes some drone, can see the place here in the top.
Okay, Shaira, sit. А where?
This one, pineapple.
pineapples.
Ah, with pineapples.
So we can see Mount Arayat over there.
Ага, yeah. Arayat. view very nice here. О, Карабау. Карабау wet. In the center of Bataan. It's name of Mary Wells?
Yeah, it's Reformista Limay.
Ah, Limay.
Yes.
You touch, Shaira.
It just came from the jacuzzi, okay?
The same, only dirty.
That's the jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi.
Carabao jacuzzi.
I remember before it's more water. A horse also, it's your horse.
Yes, it's my horse.
Very good view.
Take a look.
You go to slide.
Yes. If I have cart, it's okay. Like it's go, can break and can go. It's better.
For Carabao not easy many ant. Yeah.
What on?
No, take a look. Oh, mosquito, mosquito. Carabao don't like mosquito. Shaira, go down now. I see already road. No, here drive is okay. Problem with wet. If wet, really a problem. With wet, it's not easy. Shaira, how you ride? Shaira,
Yes.
do you like?
What?
Do you like?
I need to clean.
The clean shoes, it's okay. What problem
I
shoes?
bump here.
Okay, let's go. So we've been there in the top.
guano trees.
Aligned.
Ah, so many goiabana.
Yes.
Have okra here.
What have?
Okra.
Okra.
Yes, okra. I seen okra, small okra.
Oh, cucumber. Oh, it's good.
I seen there in the back.
So many cucumber.
Not it, the bigger, smaller.
This big.
Oh yes, it's big. It's big. This one is good.
How come you kakalo ko na natin.
Little bit cloudy today, but don't have rain.
Sir, kailangan. Pwede na tayo, sir, mag-ano, sir. It's more heavy.
Not expect.
It's more bigger than my head. Ay, my
Okay,
arm.
eat.
Pag sa ano, sir, sa bahay, sir, bibili siya ng ano, bibili siya ng cucumber.
Sweet. Take a look here. How many cucumber we bring.
Nawala yung ano ko, sir.
It's about maybe
Nabusog
5
na yung
kilo.
tiyan ko. Sa ano pa lang, sa may cucumber pa lang na maliit. Sobrang ano niya. Because it's sweet. So
Mhm.
from I have my appetite or my body needs some sweet. That's why I eat before rice and then this is my sweet.
Mhm.
So it's so sweet, fresh, but small, but it's so sweet. It's good. This is the original one.
Mhm.
This one.
Elias, so this is plant. It's for 2 years. During 2 years, you start. Before you say
Yeah.
this don't have
Less than 2
anything.
years.
2 years. So you have banana,
No.
goiabana.
Yeah, no structures.
Mhm.
Less than 2 years, we have structures, we have plants.
Mhm.
A lot of fruit trees. It's already full. So if within 3 years, the fruit trees will be bearing already.
Mhm. Mhm.
A lot of expenses, but after 3 years, the reward, the
Yeah.
return of the investment, you will feel it after 3 years or 4 years.
Yeah.
Ha?
Fresh.
May? Wala?
Manipis.
Shire, take. Drink, Shire. Heavy for you. You drink all. Shire, how you can?
I have a...
fresh.
Wait for the I have straw.
Today we have soup and barbecue. Shira, what name of the soup is soup?
Nilaga.
Ito na, kaya na tayo sis.
Soup. Oh, it's just only soup.
Only soup.
And this one is sangyupsal. This they call it.
Samgyeopsal?
Yes, it's like barbecue.
But Tagalog is Samgyeopsal is Korean. Huh?
Anyhow.
Anyhow. So it's translated
It's
in
barbecue. Same like
yeah, translate in English is barbecue. Anyhow it's barbecue. Translate.
Inihaw na baboy. Baboy.
Baboy it's pig.
Yeah. Swinya.
Yes, pig.
In Russia.
In Russia свинья.
Swinya.
Yes.
So many swinya. Yan soup. Swinya.
Yes. Baboy.
Ah.
Okay, you try, Shira. Elias already tried. Elias, good? Good?
Try the soup.
But why you not eat soup?
I'll get later.
And we have also coconut. We already drink coconut. Later we can eat coconut. What is nuts? Nuts coconut is good also.
Bango namang inasan.
Inasal?
It's good. Smell. I like.
Same like inasal.
This one, I always cook before for you. This one, but only with pechay. It's like Spinach. Spinach ba? Tama ba yung pepper? Spinach. Spinach.
Okay, try. Good?
Done? I like.
Show Shaira what kind of short you buy today. She said, I don't want to use a dress, and she bought here. How much? Here?
70.
Huh?
70.
70 peso. Next time you need to take your clothes. That's okay? Okay. Cashew.
No.
No, Elias, it's cashew. Cashew.
Oh, so many.
Yeah, so many cashew.
I
I
remember.
planted a whole mountain with cashew.
Oh,
So after 3 years, also we have a lot.
so many cashew. And what you want to do here?
Yeah, I'm making a terrace, flatten this one,
Ah,
make a garden for
it's for garden.
garden.
Ganito.
Oh,
Nakababa.
uh,
Binagbagsak ko yata.
so I'm planning to plant more of these pineapples.
But already so many pineapples.
This is 1,000 already.
Uh-huh.
This is for seedlings. Okay. This is growing already. So if you will cut this one, it will I will transfer it.
Mm.
So in a year, this will have branches,
Mhm.
twigs for replanting.
So you want to take water for drink? It's good, it's fresh water. Good.
And cold.
Cold?
Yes.
So we're going to home already. Bye. Inside.
Sit here.
So now we're going to home. Travel to the Rovan highway. It's about 20 kilometers. I think maybe 40 minutes because it's road not good. You already know road. Nara, hungry? So many. Cucumber. Hungry again, Shaira? We will take our car now and going to home with so many cucumbers. Tired, Shaira? Chris?